Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add an AI chatbot widget to your HTML website. It only takes 2 minutes, and you don't need any special skills. First, go to Elfsight and choose the AI chatbot widget from the menu. Link in the description. Click Create Widget. Let's create your widget. Start by choosing a template that fits your needs. Click Continue with this template. To get started, tell us about your business, so our AI chatbot can understand your customers' needs. Upload files, add FAQs, and create text blocks to train your AI chatbot and give it the knowledge it needs to assist your visitors. Customize your AI chatbot's greeting message and add quick reply options to guide visitors and encourage engagement. Customize your AI chatbot's name, avatar, and general settings to match your brand and website. Choose a pre-designed theme or customize the colors and fonts to perfectly match your website's design. Click Add to Website to get the Embed code. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. It's free, no credit card needed. After signing up, you'll see your widget. Click the code to copy it, and go to your HTML editor. Paste the Elfsight widget code into your HTML file where you want the chatbot to appear. Now let's add the widget to your website. Open your website's admin panel. Go to the page where you want the widget to appear. Find the option to add custom code or an embed block to that page. Paste your contact form installation code there, preferably before the closing, /body, tag, or in the page's custom code field. Save the changes. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.